Okay, got a tiny little respite. Just come out of there. And I'll walk along here. And then we do go back in again for one more little forest bit.